Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. Today we will look at the inguinal canal. So the inguinal canal as well as the spermatic cord contents. So what are the contents in terms of male? So this is a diagram to note. So there is the efferent tubule, the body of the epididymis, the presence of the ductus deferens, the rete testis, the straight tubule, there is a tail of the epididymis, there is tunica alpigina. There is a septa, there is a tunica alvagina, there is a semitiferous tubule, this head of epididymis, there is tunica vaginalis as well as presence of the cremaster muscle. So let's look at male. Under male, what and all do we have? So in the inguinal canal contents in males, there is a spermatic cord. We are writing it as SC, and that is, it includes a genital branch. So it includes the genital branch of the genitofemoral nerve. So it's a genital branch of the genitofemoral nerve. And next there is also the presence of the ilioinguinal nerve. So we write it as the II nerve, there is a ilioinguinal nerve. Next is the F. So what is F? F stands for the nothing but the round ligament of the uterus. So this is nothing but the round ligament, and this is of the uterus. So there is a round ligament of uterus. Then comes a branch, that is a genital branch of the genital femoral. So in the female, there is presence of they are all in presence of the inguinal contents, canal content, the round ligament of uterus. There is a genital branch, and this is of the genital femoral nerve. And there is also the presence of the ilioinguinal nerve. So they are the presence of the inguinal canal. Now let's look at, in terms of the spine, in the spermatic cord, what are the contents. So here in the spermatic cord, what are the contents? So the contents here, it includes 3 arteries. So this presence of the 3 arteries. So what are the arteries? There is the testicular artery. Then there is the differential. There's testicular artery, there's differential artery, as well as presence of the cremastic. There is cremasteric artery. So there's testicular artery, there's differential artery, as well as presence of the cremasteric arteries. Then what are the nerves? So nerves, it includes 2 nerves. That is, this presence of the genital branch. So this genital branch of the genitofemoral nerve. Next is, it also contains the sympathetic nerve fibers. There is the presence of the sympathetic nerve fibers, and there are some other 3 structures. So what are the other 3 structures? The other 3 structures, it includes is the ductus deferens, and there is also the presence of the pampiniform plexus of veins. There is pampiniform plexus, the pampiniform plexus of veins. Then comes the presence of the lymphatic vessels.